my love doll fans, because on this account I do dolls, squishies, slimes. Did I say dolls already? Yeah, but who cares? Dolls, squishies, slime, and more. So yeah. So this account I do more. My last account I just do random stuff. I know this does not go with this. This was a pants, a leggings I just put on, cause I just did not, cause I am not going outside at 2 o'clock. But this is a doll where I show you guys all my dolls, and I have a bunch of dolls to go through. 2 of them will not be shown because plus 3, because one does not have on her clothes. Which I told her to put on her clothes, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dolls I will be showing you. Yeah, 10 or more dolls I will be showing you. 1 or more dolls I will be showing you. 2 are getting their hair done. 1 looks like it's almost dry. Like her hair is almost dry. Her hair is dry. So yeah, I will be showing you 1 doll from the 2 dolls that are you know, one is getting their hair dry from her hair, because I was just doing her hair. 1 doll, they're twins, and this is Bailey, my little snuggy buggy, and this is my little boy, Brandon. His nickname is Brandon. His real name is Brandon. Okay, who cares? I can't get them right. But it is already 1:58 and I am not going outside at 2 o'clock. Let's see if you are watching this. Let's see if you're watching this. I am not going outside at 2 o'clock. It is already 1:58 and I am not going outside.
What's going on, Connie?
Nothing. It is 1:59 and it's 2 o'clock. And I'm not going outside. So that's Brandon and Bailey and Brandon. And I will do a morning routine with them too. I'll do morning routines for all my dolls, and I will be posting a lot of videos. A lot. Reshoot that. Okay, it is basically 2 o'clock and I'm not going outside. This thing won't turn. This tablet won't turn 2 o'clock. Yep, I am not going outside. My next doll, her name is Cece. Her real name is Cecila. Her real name is Cece. Yeah, she is basically. You don't have to wear this. I'm serious. We are potty training right now, and I'll do a potty training video in a second. Okay, and I need to get her a little toilet. I had a toilet for them, and it's gone missing. So I need to check her diaper bag. So, yeah, she right here. Excuse her, cause need to close her legs, cause we're about to do a potty training video with all the toddlers, and yeah, even my doll, even my Love Bella doll. Yeah. So I have a Love Bella doll. I got it for Christmas. It lasts me for not really a month, but not really a year, but I'm just going to say month, year. Who cares? I am not coming outside. It's already 2:01 and I am not coming outside. Okay. Yeah, and she is toddler. She is only 1 year old. She's kind of know how to talk. You want to say hi? She just said hi. Yeah, she's shy when she gets in front of the camera. But when it's time to get to class, she is like, y'all don't even want to know. But I'll do a class video today, even though it's Sunday. We will do class on Sunday. Classes on Sunday for toddlers and babies. Yeah. This is Miss Cece. Okay. She's baby. She's like 24 months, and I can't help it. But yeah, she's one of the biggest baby in the world. Her name her name is Lily. Because of the flower, I thought of the lily flower. Not a rose, but a lily flower. So her name is Lily. Lovely, lovely, lovely. We shoot that. Lovely, 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 lovely. Okay, that is Miss Lily. She is like a 24 months baby or a 12 months baby. Yeah. Her play. This is where my newborn is, my little baby. She does not have a twin. Her name is Carmen. I named her after me. Yeah. Miss Carmen can do a lot of things. She can be silly. She can be a crybaby at some points. I have to be waking up at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m. All types of time. And yeah, this is Miss Carmen. She's like a preemie, probably a preemie, like a small preemie. Like, I'm just guessing because that's how she looks. You want to tell your sister, your big sister? Okay, there. Don't let her fall. Okay, hold on her tightly. Okay, you got this. Yeah. Okay. Next baby up. I had to put you guys. This is the next baby, my favorite. I'm not gonna be showing my little Bella doll. She is resting for the day. This one is not resting. She should watch me do the videos. She just watched me do the videos without her. She says she doesn't want to do the videos. Come on. Yeah. I love this one. She's my favorite of all of them. She is my favorite. My favorite. Y'all probably can't see her. I didn't put on the light, so I'm gonna let you put on the light. So I'll see you guys when I put on the light. Light. Now you can probably see me. See, I'm gonna let the reflect. See, it's gonna reflect. So reflect back. So come on. Where are you? Hey. No, we can't. Okay. So. This is Miss Maya. She is like 12 months. 12 months. And she will probably wear a newborn or a preemie. Her tutu's probably like a 3 months or newborn. Yeah. Her passy, I don't know where she put her passy at, but she needs to go find it. And I'll help her find it. Yeah, so we're about to be doing a potty training video. All these babies, I told you one of them I can't show you because she's kind of, Okay, this is Miss Jojo Seawall, yeah. Wherever she did to her hair, she messed it up, but hello, who cares? We got this, okay? This is Miss Jojo Seawall. Yes, I have the Jojo Seawall doll. I tried to do a video, but the camera kept on cutting out. Excuse me, on me. Sorry, I do the reflecting back. Yeah, this is Miss Jojo. She loves to sing, she loves to dance, she loves to a lot, and she loves to a lot. So, yeah, I am one of Jojo Seawall's fans. That's why I got this doll. Why did you go to school with your shoes on the wrong way?
I'm in.
Huh?
I'm here.
This is Miss Jojo Seawall. She just likes to sit in the crib her sister Brittany. Yeah, and this is, what's your name? Courtney. What's your name? Bailey. Okay. So yeah, those are all the babies. And we have Brittany in here. Minus the other one. Brittany's in here. Yeah. So yeah, we're about to do a pony train video after when I'm done publish this video. And that's afterwards. Yeah, so see you guys when I'm downstairs and tell you guys later. And have a nice day. So we are downstairs. See you guys later. Have a nice day. Like this video and subscribe.